So I just wanted to take a little bit of time out, talk about things that I went through creating this. Most of what I started doing was look at a reference image, one that I really liked. So I started applying some basic shapes to it, started getting the feel of it, and goal wasn't photorealism or to match the asset or to match the reference in any way. It was just going with the flow, sort of taking inspiration from the shapes that I saw in the reference. When I actually started out using booleans and I started cutting out shapes using box cutter, I think that is when I actually lost track of the reference. Just started enjoying how the gun started looking like, and then also a little bit about the character. I ended up making a pretty weird model. I was using Examo Fuse at that time. Fuse wasn't the best thing out there. I've used a Dash 3D or something like that. Guess I never had my luck on that. After posing it, animating it about 60 frames just for the clothes simulation to work right, from a T pose to the action pose that you see in the final artwork. To be able to simulate clothes properly, I needed precision on the fact that once the armature starts moving, the cloth should deform properly. I used Marvelous Designer. Remember what version it was. In 2 years since I recorded this. Looking at the character, I took some pictures of my own clothes, just put it up there, and sort of playing around with how it can be tiled. I also had to take out different maps out of this image texture. I wasn't using Substance Designer, Sans Painter in that time, so I guess I was just trying to manage all of it on the node editor. So there's heavy use of the node editor for the initial gun renders back 2 years ago. I think I also did some fire simulations around the barrel, which looked pretty stupid. I guess I had to go around with it somehow. What else do we have? Using booleans isn't the best thing because it really fucks up your apology unless you're ready to apologize it again, which I don't think is a great option. Still a struggle trying to sort of come up with better ways to do things. So for the landscape, use something by default in Blender using the ant landscape. Isn't really the priority on this project. Like, I was enjoying making the gun. I started enjoying making the hair and the clothes. Definitely the females didn't come out right. The armature was a little weird. Trying to come up with better. Here we go. The character, the gun, the light setup, stupid bullets coming out. Fuck, because it never hit him. As you can see, it's super foggy. God, I love fog. Do anything for fog. Probably burn up my computer someday. Yeah. So in the end, I guess I went without fog. Those female characters back in that time, horrible. Just look at them. They look like plastic dolls. Like I could have made them better for sure. But got better ways now. So no worries. Some more shit coming up. Keep a lookout, eh?